Chapter 7. Serving Others. In an earlier chapter, we discussed the purpose of life. We were told that it is to prepare for the future life. This can be done by knowing, loving, and serving God. It was also said that the best way to serve God is to serve His creatures. This clearly indicates the importance of serving others. Every religion teaches its followers to love and serve others. The following poem by Leigh Hunt clearly brings out the importance of serving others. Abu Ben Edhem. Abu Ben Edhem, may his tribe increase, awoke one night from a deep dream of peace, and saw within the moonlight in his room, making it rich and like a lily in bloom, an angel writing in a book of gold. Exceeding peace had made Abu Edhem bold, and to the presence in the room he said, "What writest thou?" The vision raised its head, and with a look made of all sweet accord, answered, "The names of those that love the Lord." "And is mine one?" said Abu. "Nay, not so," replied the angel. Abu spoke more low, but cheerly still, and said, "I pray thee, then, write me as one that loves his fellow men." The angel wrote and vanished. The next night it came again with a great wakening light, and showed the names whom love of God has blessed. And lo, Ben Edhem's name led all the rest. The poem tells us the dream of a very good man named Abu Ben Edhem. He spent his time in loving and serving his fellow men. He believed in service. One night in his dream, he saw an angel writing the names of those who loved the Lord. On inquiring, he was told that his name was not one of them. He requested the angel to write his name in the list of people who loved their fellow beings. Lo and behold, his name was right at the top of the list of people God was pleased with. This tells us that God is pleased to see us loving and serving His creatures, our fellow beings. Chapter